Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clean, eye-catching stacked column chart in Google Sheets. Whether you're making a report for work, organizing data for a project, or just want your information to look its best, by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn your raw numbers into a beautiful, easy-to-read stacked column chart in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. So first things first, you'll want to make sure you have your data already organized in Google Sheets. Typically with stacked column charts, you'd have your categories listed down one column and your series of data spread out across the next columns. For example, you might have months in column A and then sales numbers for two different products in columns B, and see if you have that set up, you're good to go. If your data isn't quite in that layout yet, pause the video and take a moment to organize it. Trust me, setting it up properly will make the rest of the steps super smooth. Alright, once your data is ready, move up to the top of your screen and look for the menu bar. We're headed to the Insert tab. It's right there at the top alongside File and Edit. Click on Insert and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, there's a chart option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, as soon as you select Chart, Google Sheets will do its magic and automatically generate a chart for you. But chances are it won't be a stacked column chart by default. It's usually a plain column or bar chart. Don't worry if it doesn't look right just yet. Here, where we make the magic happen. On the right side of your screen, a chart editor pane should pop up. This is your control center for customizing how your chart looks and behaves. In the Setup tab of the chart editor, there's an option labeled Chart Type. Click on that and a whole menu of different chart styles will appear. Scroll through that list and take your time if you need to. You're looking for the stacked column chart. It usually looks like several colored rectangles stacked on top of each other in each column. Click on that one and your data will instantly take on a whole new look. The stacked column style is perfect for showing totals as well as the individual components that make up those totals. For example, if you're tracking sales for different products, a stacked column chart helps you see not just the grand total each month, but also how much each product contributed to that total. It's a fantastic way to visualize parts of a whole, especially if you want to compare how those parts shift over time or across categories. If you want to get creative, you can absolutely customize your chart. In the Customize tab of the chart editor, you'll find options for changing the colors, tweaking the labels, adding grid lines, and even editing the title. Maybe you want to match your brand colors or just make the chart easier to read. Go ahead and make those changes until your chart feels right for you. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it perfect. You can adjust and preview as much as you need. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned plain spreadsheet data into a visually engaging stacked column chart. Remember, the more clearly you present your data, the easier it is for others to understand your story, whether it's for your boss, your class, or just your own records. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with another Google Sheets feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, clear tutorials. See you in the next video.